Afana, bro. What's up now?
I agree to boss.
Afana.
I beg. May MOP come perform, I beg. May your artists come out, I beg.
Wait now, wait first. Everybody don't choke.
They craze like this. They won't see them.
But I see, make sure we just clear the stage. Nobody should be on the stage for now. DJ should leave the stage.
Oh my
we have our own
God.
DJ. The hype man should please leave the stage. The stage should just be free. Okay? Then my hype man will have to go first. He can't come now, please.
No, boss, no. As in, they need to say now. No time again. People
no.
go.
See, he cannot come out now.
People go.
See, they will not go anywhere. Now in the rain. So let my hype man go first and take over. Then my first artist will sing first. Sambi will sing first. Then before he will not come out.
I feel me I just still snap with them if I talk. Now me they do the show.
Snap you not join the contract, bro. After show.
But now me bring them now.
No, this is Sambi go first perform first. He will do 4 rounds first. Jesus!
Baba, this guy get song.
Alright, go. Follow and go, just follow and go. Then see, bring the mic come here. He go start from here, go straight.
Now carry my coin.
Carry my come and then leave the stage.
Sambi the shot killer! Sambi the shot killer! Kill it!
Benin City! Watokne! Hey! Machala Osha! DJ! Slam it!
Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
He dey hot! He dey hot! He don dey!
One love. I love you all.
Yeah. If your hands are not too busy, put your hands together for M.O.P. Chief.
Oh my God!
M.O.P.
Now everybody want to tell my shit.
It is good night.
Hey, I'm not big. Wetin be this?
10 million don't finish now.
It can take your money eventually. Really? Yeah, for vanity.
Jesus.
After deal with us,
My girlfriend. Bros, well done, bros. I beg, when I go take perform for this show, I beg.
You follow MC talk now.
MC. Live no balance, MC. Live. I beg. DJ.
Oh, well done. I beg. I need to perform.
Wait, no follow.
I need to perform now with crowd.
No. Wait, I'll bring you. But not be now.
I'll bring you last.
Bro, no. Things don't change. No. Your phone like this traffic. Wait, bro. Calm down. Now you now. If this crowd come on, then this thing go hit me. See, I come with my taxi man.
Don't worry.
60 now they come already. After the show now 85. I beg. Man, just come. All these people they go. You no worry now. Are you now? See that bros with the spray. I dey come my house, bro. I dey come. I beg. Shut down. Perform now. I said you show love.
Oh my
No, like they see money. Only one good way. Because of Nash. Anyway, you're Nash joking. You're the spray.
70 years old man.
Shut up. Finish up. Correct. See this boss with the spray money now. If he go now, how would they go house? I say go pay. Shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring another upcoming act. We have a senior colleague in the house. This guy is good. His music has made way. The guy has performed far and wide. He's around. But I want to bring up another upcoming act. This guy is good. This guy is talented. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Skippo. What do you wait? Wait. But I want to bring up one man that has paved way in the music industry. This is one of the gladiators in the music industry. This guy is good, he's talented, he's one of our bros. Ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know him, you don't know music. I present to you M.O.P. Correct, I'm not coming. Take mic. Calm down. The leader. Just press one. Shut up. But people don't go house now. I tell you now, don't they just play your legacy. But I tell this MC now. I tell this guy now. I tell him now.
I like your song that year. Now they use
Bro, I beg you go help me send the picture to me.